Aaron Yudah Leib. This is your 35th day, and we love you so much. And maybe one day in the future you'll be watching this video, and we want to remind you to try to find the good in things and try to find a way for you to see the good in things and connect to Hashem and try to find a way to make yourself happy. Things sometimes in life are hard, sometimes don't go the right way, but you're special and you're beautiful, and Hashem brought you here. And everything is for the good. And please try to find a way to find the good in things. That's probably the best thing that your mom and dad could share with you. And also that we'll always be here for you. You know, we're trying to make a lot of videos and stuff so that even when we're gone, we're still here with you. You can always watch them, and you can feel our presence. But you have our word that we're going to do our best to try to give you the right path and a good path, and you do it in a good way. And we love you so profoundly, and we're so happy that you're in our life. We didn't want another baby. We wanted you. And we want to spend time with you and help you in your life when you get older. And we have nothing but love for you. Maybe you won't understand it until one day you have kids and get married, but we really have so much love for you. We have so much appreciation that you're in our life. And it was very slow to have children, but you're really a blessing. We prayed not for just a baby, we prayed for you. We prayed for you every day. And we were inspired by Hannah's prayer, how she was praying specifically for Shmuel. And we were trying to do the same thing where we were praying for you. We're so happy that you're in our life. We love you so much. Always try to find the good in things, Aaron. Always try to find the good. Always try to be happy. We love you so much. Always see the good in things.